Why are you sitting all alone here crying? This may just be some silly gossip.
I told you that I saw the princess sitting on Izuna's laps.
Why didn't you come? At least you should call him. Let him be aware. Let him be aware that you saw him. Because he can't deny it.
That is just what I want. Let him deny it. At least then I'll know the type of person I'm dealing with. Tell me. What have I done to Izuna for him to treat me this way? What? What did I do?
You never can tell the level of his friendship to that girl. They may just be friends.
Friendship, you say? What sort of friendship would make that girl sit on his laps? My fool. Besides, you and I know that Chinaza does not just talk. She's a champion when it comes to such issues.
Relax. We must find out the truth. That's not enough reason for you to sit out here and cry. It's late. Stop crying. Mama will not like to see him like this. Crying over a man, just like that. What is it?
Come on, crying. I don't want to sleep.
Izuna, what is happening here?
There go, baby. This on your face is squeezed like this. Did anyone annoy you?
Will you keep quiet and answer my question? Who is this fool?
Ego, what is it? Why are you shouting?
Hey, wait a minute. Izuna, who is this thing?
Please.
What gave her the audacity to call me the princess of this great kingdom a fool? I even called you a fool, you are not happy. In fact, you're a royal prostitute. If you dare come me, I will feed your eyes with vultures. Don't worry. It's my fight. Izuna, I'm okay. It's my fight.
I'm begging you. This is my house, you know. Please do not say anything rash. I'm begging you. Let me back. Let me. You want to? No! Allow me. Why would they go behave in such a manner? What is that problem?
But I've told you severally to be careful about your relationship with Adora, the princess. But you wouldn't listen to me now. Now, maybe she have heard some rumors.
What stupid rumor did she hear? Even if she heard any nonsense, couldn't she have asked me? Did she have to go and fight the princess like that? Why did she fight her and embarrass herself like that?
But the princess slapped her first.
So? Is she stupid? Why would she fight her?
What did I just hear? Who is the girl that dare touch the princess?
Jane, it's okay, I've handled it. Please.
But who gave her the guts to do such a thing? Who is the so-called idiot?
Well, she's Izuna's friend.
Izuna! I am so disappointed at you. How could you? How could you do such a thing? How could you allow your friend to do such a thing? Where is she? Is she here? Where is she? Is she from this community? Where is her house?
I don't know where she lives. Joya.
Since you cannot do anything, I want to do it.
you imagine? Who does she think she is? We all know how her father suddenly became king. Yes, so she can do this her princess drama for those who do not know her or her family. As for Izuna and I, we have come a long way, and not even that stupid princess can come between us.
That's my ego. I love what you do. Hasimumo Kejuko. Ofunkiji, that stupid princess, want to snatch it away from me.
Where?
You have to fight for your right. I am behind you.
Before, what do you think I'm doing? Fighting for my right?
Yes.
Can you imagine? Izuna was busy playing guitar for her, and she was just there, staring at him romantically. Tell her right. What would have happened? That's why you are my friend. Why you? Am I scared of her? Go here because she's coming. For what?
As you can see, I have removed the princess regalia. I want to know who you are. Achakwamaka, I want to know who you are. And what gave you the audacity, the impetus to lay this your cursed hands on the princess of this great land? Please tell me, are you a spirit that I cannot even lay my hands on you like you claim? Tell me, what are you? Don't come here and be claiming princess to deceive people. You can only deceive those people who do not really know you. You cannot use this your princess drama to come and deceive my boyfriend. I am a bona fide citizen of this community. So pack this your princess drama and leave it at Upper Iweka. And if you don't mind your tongue, I will personally handle you right away. Who just spoke? Actually, just because of
See these two slaves, so. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? You are here doing boy after a young lady like you. The same lady that has the same breasts like you do. The same opening in between her thighs like you. Look at this stupid idiot. Hey! As for you, Adora, Izuna and I are planned together. So stay away from him. Or else what? Tell me, or else what? And by the way, who did you just call a slave?
Who else is dressed as a slave here? Please.
Who else looks like a slave here? Please.
I am
Let's just stop. Please. Let's just stop.
Oh God!
Jane, it's not like that. It was the princess that slapped her first.
Izuna! Where is she? Where is she? Adora! Where is that Ochakomaka?
Adora!
Where? Adora, you fought again? Yes! I fought her! I would have killed her today if not that she ran away. She thought that a princess cannot take revenge. Ajibota princess. I've kept royalty in the wardrobe. I would have killed her today. Look at that stupid idiot trying to challenge me. Me, the princess of this land. Hey! Oh,
wait,
God.
Adora, wait a minute. Did you see her around here?
Yes, we saw her on our way here and beat the hell out of her. She just ran away. It has not ended.
Adora, please calm down. Take it easy. Try to forgive Emeghebo now. You're not in the same class with her. She's a nobody.
Emeghebo, is that her name? Okay, we shall see. Even if I will forgive her Izuna, she will have to explain to me what gave her the audacity. Look at that thing. That fat pig. What gave her the authority to slap me, the princess of this kingdom? She must explain it to me.
Just calm.
She will tell me.
She's in love with Izzy. Where? I see.
long time.
Very long time.
Suddenly, this princess from nowhere wants to come and snatch him.
If he allows the princess to snatch him, as you said, that means he never loved her. When a man is in love with a girl, he will never joke with that love. He will protect her and also protect that love. I don't know what is wrong with children of nowadays.
Are you saying the boy does not love her or what?
It is obvious the boy does not love her. How can someone that claims to love her abandon her to the princess, whom he thinks to be richer or more packaged than her? If it were to be in our days, the girl will simply walk away. It is totally wrong for Emeghebo to fight the princess. And it is an abomination in this land. She has to go and apologize to the princess before her father hears it. If her father hears it,
Mama, I will not do that. Besides, Izuna is not just any boy. I am never going to apologize to that boyfriend snatcher. I would rather die than do that. What kind of thing is this one now?
Then you go in there, pack your belongings, and leave my house. That is final, period.
I am not going anywhere. You better get to the idea. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. What kind of thing is this one now? Everybody will just be intimidating me. What is that? You cannot even fight for me. I here telling me to go out. I'm not doing anyone. In fact, I am here to stay. Do they know where we met? Oh no, I really don't get that.
Don't worry.
The worst part is that Emeghebo saw me this morning and did not greet me.
She came to your house?
No. I saw her on my way when I went to see Chidi. She just hissed and walked away.
Emeghebo. That girl has changed. Her character has changed. Izuna, we must find out what the problem is.
Find out, Guinea. Guinea or who? Me. Find out what? She had the guts to slap a girl that came to visit me, and you're telling me to find out what? I don't have anything to say to her. I've drawn the line. It is over between us.
No. You won't go that far. Okay? That girl is just a baby. And remember all you both have been through.
Is that what gave her the guts to slap the princess? What is wrong with her? What was that for? In my house? She should have found out who the girl she saw in my house was before reacting.
Izuna, your anger is justified. You are right. Like I told you, I have talked with the princess and she made me a promise that she won't tell her father. Okay? Just take things easy. Have you seen her since then?
Who?
Adora.
No.
You should have gone to her house. She must be so angry by now. Go
I
to
know.
her house and calm her down.
I know. I'm taking my time. I want all this to settle. I'll see her soon.
What's this whole thing, eh? Izuna, please, don't leave that girl.
Emeka, please. Don't tell me about Emeghebo again. Biko.
Do you good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. I have some kind of room, but I've not confirmed. Obinna. See, I have some kind of rumor, but I've not verified it is rumor. I want to buy snuff at the usual place. Them some snuff fellas we are talking about. A princess that fought a girl along the road of Ofianko. But I've not consulted anybody to find out the truth. A princess fighting along the road against a girl.
In this community?
Yes.
What about the king? Is he aware of it?
I'm not sure he's aware because we were together last night. He didn't tell me about such a thing.
Is it everything that the king will tell you?
See, Chisholm, I am not only a traditional ruler, a title hold. But the title I got before you were born. I'm also a kingmaker. You won't understand that.
I also heard some people saying it on the street today, that they saw the princess fighting with 2 other girls, and they even made it to involved.
Then that confirms what I'm telling you. It confirms it. Oh, princess fighting a commoner. Is that strange? Okay. Chisom, give brother and brother chance to talk privately. Brother to brother. So, how is it going? Is it oh no, this one is too soft for my life.
My princess, I have come to apologize for what happened the last time. Honestly, I didn't mean for you to be embarrassed in that manner. I'm deeply sorry about that. Please forgive me.
Don't worry yourself, Lisa. Like I said that day before I left your house. It's okay. It's settled. It was never your fault. So don't blame yourself. But I don't know why you should be dating a pig, a non-entity, a girl without a brain. She said I'm a boyfriend snatcher. Me, Adora, the princess of this kingdom, boyfriend snatcher. She doesn't have respect for anybody, not even for royalty.
Yes, and that is why I have cancelled the relationship with her. Henceforth, I will never have anything to do with her again.
Are you serious? Like, you're done with her?
I'm done with her.
Listen. It's okay. I don't think this place is very okay. Let's go to my room.
Your room?
Yes.
No, my princess. This is the palace. What if the king walks in on us, or the man who wants to marry you? That will not be a good situation, please. Let's stay here and talk.
Are you done preaching? Izunla, did I tell you that my breakfast has been paid, or that I'm owned by anybody? Please. As for the king, he traveled. And I'm old enough to invite a friend to my room. So, you don't need to worry yourselves.
Are you sure?
No. This is not nice. This is getting out of hand. Listen, I will advise you to before you do. Alright? Not all that glitters, they say, is gold. Of course, we know that Emeghebo erred. But she remains your little girl. Is she not the same Emeghebo?
I don't even know why you're wasting your time talking all this nonsense. I have told you what is on the ground. I'm not joking. Adora has asked me to marry her and I have accepted.
Izuna, that a woman asked you to marry her and you accepted. Izuna, please, is she the one to ask you to marry her, or should it be the other way around? Eh? Besides, is it not the same princess you told me has a suitor?
She doesn't have any suitor anymore. Her father has insisted she gets married to a man of this kingdom. That is what is on board now.
I don't even know why you're ranting over it. And what is your problem in all of this? Why are you even carrying it on your head like gala? If you want to get married to Emeghebo, go ahead now and stop disturbing my life. What is your own? We are both orphans, aren't we? What? And you, what are you doing here?
I came for us to see.
You came for us to see about what? After insulting my visitor, right? You are nothing but a dirty monkey. And if you do not get out of my compound this minute, I will do something I'll regret.
Izuna! Mind your words! Why are you talking to her like that?
Did she mind her words when she was insulting Adora? When she raised her dirty, filthy hands to slap her? Are you sick in the head? Now let me tell you, it is over between us. And for your information, Adora and I are getting married. So you can go and die for all I care. You are useless to me and your parents.
Izuna, are you the one that said all these things to me? Hey, Izuna, that I am of no use to you and my family. And that I'm useless, Izuna, me.
Emeghebo, please. Emeghebo, that wasn't nice at all, Izuna, please. He didn't mean to say that. Izuna, what?
Izuna, you must suffer for all these things you've just said to me. After everything I did for you, you still have the guts to stand there and tell me that I'm a useless person. Well, let me just respect Ezina and Emeka. But don't forget, you will definitely regret this. And you will suffer, Izuna. Don't I will fire you, Izuna.
I will suffer. You came to my house to lay curses on me.
Stop! What's the problem?
Take out the step away, Izuna, stop!
Izuna, this is not you.
This is not you! Come and be going to your house, so please. Don't provoke me the more this afternoon, please.
Can you imagine what Izuna said to me? Izuna said that I am useless and I is getting married to the princess.
Emeghebo, those words were said out of anger. Don't mind it.
Izuna, tell me. Tell me, what did I do to Izuna? What? See, should I have allowed the princess to take him away from me? I saw both of them sitting at that tree. And on that same day, my friend told me that the entire village is aware that Izuna and the princess are dating. That alone broke my heart. And I reacted out of anger.
Emeghebo, you are my friend, and I'll never lie to you. Your reaction was very bad. Ask questions.
Questions? Ezina, I saw the princess sitting on Izuna's laps. If you were me, what would you have done?
It's alright. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll never allow Izuna to hurt you. Just hold yourself. Okay.
Why is Izuna doing this to me now?
Izuna, I said this thing earlier. I told you that. I said if your relationship with Adora will bring problems between you and Emeghebo, then you should know how to handle it. But you wouldn't listen to me. As a matter of fact, you laughed over it. Now, the guy is crying every minute. A guy that doesn't have a father, a mother, not even a single sibling. Izuna, you this heartless. I can remember how this girl helped Mama when we were in Mazi or Oku's place. She baited her, fed her, all because of you. And now.
You shut up and stop talking to me like that. What useless help did she help that nobody else has ever done in this life? When my guitar got spoiled, was she not the one that gave me money to repair it? Even when I lost the first guitar, did she not give me the money to get it? Did she not get me a new one? What is this you're telling me about help?
Zuna, all you said is true. At least I can confirm that. But let's not forget the other good side of this.
To hell with the other side of her. To hell. What is it? Don't I have a right to make a choice? What is the business of both of you in it now? What's your problem? Listen to me. I don't want you to tell me about this girl again. Please.
Izuna is a lie. I see. you better go back to Emeghebo and explain your so-called relationship with Adora. I don't want that girl to fall sick because of you.
What
she said is right.
Emeka, I'm going to the palace. Are you coming with me or not?
I'm coming with you, but Emeghebo is important. Izuna. Okay, wait. Let's go, wait. Let's go over.
I'm hungry. Go and get me. Am I not talking to you? I said I'm hungry. Go and get me.
Hey, I thought you said you were going to the palace. Didn't see it in the palace.
What is your business if I went to the palace? It's like you want to look for my trouble this night, or where? If you do not take your time, I will handle you the way you will not like this night. Go and get me my food.
Ha! Sorry, oh. I'm so sorry. I think a palace is a place where the whole world ends, where you can eat and dine. So how come you're coming from the palace and you're still asking me for food? Eh? Or is Adora not there? Because recently she has become your all and all.
Yes. Adora has become my all and that is the truth. If that is what pains you, you might as well die off. And let me remind you, or warn you rather, to tell that girl, Emeghebo, not to ever step her feet in this compound again. Tell her I said so.
It's a lie. It's a very big lie. This house belongs to both of us. And Emeghebo is my friend, and she has every right to come and visit me here.
Damn it.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this? You have not seen anything, oh. You have not seen anything. Emeghebo will continue to come to this house, and there's nothing you will do about it. As a matter of fact, I will ask her to move in with us. Izuna.
You will ask her to move in with me?
Now.
In my house?
Yes.
You will ask her to move in this house?
She will be our
Try it. Try it. And if I don't kill you with my bare hands, no, my name is not Izuna.
Cannot do anything. You have changed a lot. You have forgotten those times you used to call her Ego Bekem, Ego Love, her name, Sweet him. Now she's your worst enemy. Nonsense. Come and eat now. Come, let me give you food.
Ezine, please, I have come to beg Izu to forgive me. I want you to please beg him to forgive me. I am sorry for everything that happened. Please, Izuna is all that I have. And you are that sister that I don't have. So please, I still love Izuna. I know I overreacted that day. But please, beg him to forgive me, I'm only human. Please,
no,
stop.
Stop, Ego, stop. Don't do that. Ego, you have cried so much for Izuna. It's not the only man in this world.
I love him.
I know that you love him. But still, I don't like the way he's treating you. Just get rid of yourself. It's okay. Yes, I'll talk to him. I will.
Sure?
Yes. But you know my brother is stubborn. He's very stubborn. But I'll try. It's okay.
I don't want Izuna to leave me.
No.
Please.
It will not. It's okay.
What will I do?
Did I not ask you to warn her never to step her foot in this compound again? Did I not tell you with my mouth that I did not want to see you around my house again?
I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
What did I do? Hey! What are you doing? Izuna, please.
Is something wrong? What are you doing?
Please. Izuna,
Are you?
Hey, Chinedu, what did I do now? She came to beg you now. Hey!
Oloma! Oloma! What happened to you? What happened to you? Am I not talking to a human being?
It is Izuna. Hey! Izuna did this to you.
Have I not warned you about this same Izuna? Your mother is no more alive. And I'm the mother you are seeing now. Why can't you obey me? Look at what a man did to you. Eh? Can you now rest? Can you now rest? Yes, Zike. Or do you want him to kill you? Can he do this to his own sister? Now, I want you to take me to their house. He must explain to me why he did this to my sister's only child. Oh yeah, Mama, wait. What? If I'm not going to take you there.
Emeghebo is an adult. As far as she cannot obey you, then let her handle her issues. All I know is that Izuna must suffer for this, so he will suffer for this. This is not because of that princess that he did all these things to me.
Okay. Hey! Oh yeah, come on now. Every time you do this.
No, Izuna. No! This is not right. Okay? You have no right whatsoever to lay your hands on that girl. What did she do to you? Did you beat her because you feel she has no brother to challenge you? You beat her because you feel you can? What did she do, Izuna? That girl was fighting simply for what she thought is hers.
That is absolute nonsense. Even if she thought she was fighting for whatever it is that belongs to her, she went about it this stupid way. What gave her the right to slap the princess? In my compound. After having warned her not to lay her miserable feet in my compound again, she dared me.
And that gave you the right to beat her. Izuna, don't forget that girl is a woman. They are called weaker vessels. And I repeat, it's wrong. And you must apologize to her.
Apogeni, over my dead body will I do that.
Izuna.
I will never. In fact, it's over between us. What do I even gain from her?
This life is something else. Of course, you gain nothing from her. It's now the princess that you gain from. I'm aware it will come to this. Okay, I knew it will come to this point. But forget that the same you told me that the princess has a suitor. So be very careful and know when you're tampering with someone's wife.
Nobody's tampering with anybody's wife here. Her father has insisted she's not getting married to any man outside of this kingdom. Okay? So we're not talking about tampering with anybody's wife.
So you are now happy because you now have the chances. Hey. This life. Well, I have nothing to tell you, but before you pinch somebody, pinch yourself first and see how sweet or bitter it is. That is all I have for you.
So long as it's not inconveniencing to you.
Thank you very much for coming.
And thank you for the hospitality.
You're welcome. Okay. Take care of yourself. See you soon.
Listen now! Do something! Hurry up! Hurry up! Listen now! Get the car!
This condition is a terrible one, and I cannot handle it. I will advise you people to take him home and keep an eye on him. Don't expect him to say anything because his tongue has been tied.
Hey!
Give him food and coconut water to sustain his breath. This is a spiritual case and I cannot help it. Because he cannot even talk to tell all the things that makes it spiritual.
Mazoko, is it that bad?
My hands are tied.
Okay, let's just help him take him home.
That is the advice.
It's only in Africa and the royal soul, kingship, majesty is regarded as nothing. The black man is always taking things for granted. Listen, when I was in Sapele, under the tutelage of a white man called Mr. Pigeon, I had the privilege of traveling to the whole world, almost every part of the world. I worked with the Queen of England, I worked with the Duke of Edinburgh, even the Prince of Wales. Yes. You go there, you see how respect is accorded to all these things. What is happening here? What is happening?
Hey, Ucheama, what are you talking about? Because you have traveled to the clans and the lands of the world, the Duke of Emeghebo, then you should abandon the traditions of our land. We should do what we should do, Ucheama.
Because I can recall how that cap was given to you. And I'm sure you've not seen the interior of any airplane. You have not. See that we are here. You've known me for years. Should not make you forget that I'm a traveler across the globe. Just recently, in a Zumaland, I was given a powerful title where there were the likes of late Nelson Mandela, Steve Biko, even our own Palmer. They were all there and I was highly celebrated. Who are you to talk to me? If you don't want to talk, you just control your tongue. Is that clear?
Please, we are noble gentlemen. Please, let us do what our forefathers asked us to do by looking for the girl, go for the princess, and stone her to death. Go, not to history.
That's the point being made.
Now listen. Before you think of him to stone to death, listen. A lot of things have changed.
Yes. Listen to me. We will not do it that way. I am of the opinion that we should invite this girl, ask her some questions. Let us find out from her if she's an Osu or a foreigner in our land. Yes. Because I doubt if a true born of this land will do such thing.
Please, let us follow tradition. We are here for tradition. Let's get the girl, get her stoned to death. Simple.
And I still maintain that I'm of the opinion that nobody should be stoned to death.
Yes.
You were a beg of you. Our forefathers did. That was them during their own time, in their own way. This is a new era. Let us reason like human beings and do the things in the right way. Let us reason like human beings and do things in the right way.
this is the highest decision-making body of this land. Our decision is final. We must look for the girl and stone her to death. Period.
Whoever is that girl that had the audacity to touch the princess must be stoned to death.
Yes.
Whoever is that girl, let's fight for her and deal with her. That's all.
One more question for you. One more question.
Which question?
Have you asked yourself some questions to find, at least try to find out exactly what led to the fight? What brought about the fighting? You've not done that.
Who was there to touch the princess of the land? That was the issue. She wants to be a commoner. Yes. Simple.
I have made my point. Let us be very, very careful. Let us be careful. Trace this matter properly, address it properly. Let us do the proper thing.
Get that girl, turn her to death. Please, please.
We must look for that girl and do what tradition demands of us.
To stoop so and then get in such a terrible thing like fight with a commoner. How could you? And what caused the fight in the first instance?
We had small misunderstanding, just a little issue, and she raised her filthy hands on me. I had to give it back to her.
And it degenerated to a fight.
Yes, Father. I'm sorry about that.
And you guess, you stood there and watched her fight. A princess.
We are sorry, Your Highness. Your Highness, the girl slapped Ada for nothing. And that made her to take the fight. We are sorry.
Who was that girl?
Your Highness, I'll really find out who she is.
No leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Don't listen to me. I am extremely disappointed. You have to be conscious of who you are. You are a princess of this kingdom. Such a dignified kingdom. You shouldn't fight. If the matter comes to us, you report to me. I have guards. I have security. That was take action, and not you.
I'm sorry, Father. It won't happen again, I promise.
Thank you. Let it not happen again.
Izuna. Oh my God. This is too much. What kind of sickness is this?
We're all confused. We're all confused. We don't know how this thing came up. We don't know what's happening to Izuna. The funny thing is that he can't even talk. He can't say a word.
Hey! Adora told me all that Mazioko said. Have you people tried other places, at least for more consultation?
Jane, the consultation you're talking about, it's all about spending money for nothing. Just like what Mazioko said. He have tied his tongue so that he cannot say a word to anybody. If this is what life can offer, it's no better I join my parents. No father, no mother. The only sibling is...
Oh, no, Ezine, please don't talk like that. Please, he will be fine. All we need to do is to be prayerful for him. Things like this cannot just happen. Something must be behind it.
What do you think is behind it? Did Izuna wrong anybody? What did he do? The more I try to figure out where all this is coming from, the more I get confused. The more I get confused, I don't know.
Emeka, I am tired. I am tired.
Look at Izuna. Look at...
It's fine. What to do? Child. Izuna. Hey. Oh.
When Onuigbo suddenly begins to pay a visit to the guinea fowl, the guinea fowl has one option: to use her sense of security to begin to guard her eggs. Otherwise, there will be danger. Dikeh has suddenly turned into unnecessary opposition. And I want to suggest that either we stop him from coming here entirely, or if he's here, we limit his opposition, his rantings, his rabble-rousing. They are all not good for us. That's my suggestion, please. It's getting too much. See, in 1983, when we were in Emeghebo, things happened. I don't want what happened in 83 to happen here, please, in this palace. No, please.
Listen, of course, we are not here for a display of a key sort of dressing, as if one is going for wrestling. No. Or telling stories about history, what happened in the 30s and 80s and... No. But I go to the point and tell us what happened in 1983 that you just mentioned. What is it that happened in 1983? I've been telling you, stop bringing politics into a meeting like this. This is a palace meeting, you know that. And you know me very well, you know my father. I am a red cap chief. I have every right to air my view in this palace. Particularly in a meeting as noble as this.
The festival of frogs is always celebrated on waters and not on land.
Not on the land.
We should know that certain decisions are made in this palace, but not elsewhere. You should also know that a lot of rules still remain as they were. We have taken decision on this matter, and let it be as we have decided.
When we take such decisions, it will be awkward for people to still go behind and to go and try to influence the new way. No! See, let me tell you a small story. In 1982, when the Ikemba Nollywood came back to his fatherland, with the help of political gurus like Chioma of women's Emeghebo, and the rest of them, I was in opposition. Not the way you are here, but with constructive opposition that was always aimed at the development of right community. Not the way you are doing it. So what I'm preaching is that oppositions will be for the progress of the community, not for itself, not for self-aggrandizement, not for self-ego. No, the way you're doing it is wrong. Please, we have decided that this girl in question should be stoned. Let her be stoned according to our tradition, please.
Again, listen, again. Cowards live by side talks. And heroes, great men, go to the point courageously, confidently, until they give it time. And wants to go to the point. Be specific. Who are you referring to?
I can elucidate.
Go ahead and do what you're here.
I can elucidate. I can conscious. Now, you came, yes. You came. Because who are you? Can you swallow me? Hold on. If you swallow me, I look up in your neck, and there I begin to expand. When I expand, I won't rest until your eyes begin to bulge, until you begin to suffocate and die. That is it. Who are you?
Of course, you know what you cannot give me.
We have decided the girl in question to be brought to book by a story. Even before the advent of Jesus Christ, there were traditions across the races. Egyptian race, Israeli race, African race, everywhere there was tradition. But when he came, he was preaching alongside these traditions. None went for the other. They remained. So in our own tradition, which was there from time immemorial, let us apply it in the case of this girl. She committed the offense. Let her be stoned to death. As simple as that.
The guards have been instructed to look out for the girl.
Go.
Very soon. I mean very soon. She will be in this palace.
With due respect, my king, but I still insist that the girl in question is given a fair.
You get me? I rule you out of honor.
Overruled! Overruled! Nduka, Ikem is a fool. Ikem is an adulterated fool.
What is it? Calm down.
I'm going to show him.
Hey, calm down.
Shaking the coconut is like shaking himself. I'll show you. Huh?
Calm down. Tell me what happened.
Where was he coming? In 1959. When I was writing my international examination by British teachers, they were the invigilators. Where was he then? Huh? Where was he when in 1964 I was going to Ghana to discuss African affairs with the likes of Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia, and Kamuzu Banda of Malawi? Where was he? See, I won't allow this lying though. I'm going to consult my lawyer to arraign Ikem in court. He will sweat. He will sweat. Huh?
Deopa, please, calm down. Calm down. Tell me what happened. Ikem, I know, is a good person in this village. And I have never seen him quarrel with anybody.
I will be the first person to quarrel with him. Yes! Who is Ikem? Huh? Even in the palace, he has turned into opposition, opposing every decision we have taken. Can you imagine that? It's a clear law that whoever fires a member of the royal palace will be stoned to death. And the verdict turned out that the girl who fought the princess must be stoned to death.
Deopa, please, please, don't even go there.
Go away.
That's an age-long tradition.
What do you mean?
So much has changed. If you stone that girl to death, you are taking laws into your hand, and government will come after you.
Don't tell me.
There are other punishments you can met up to her instead of stoning.
Ndoga, it seems you have turned into an opposer.
I am not turning.
Join the opposition. That's what I can say. But I tell you, when I consult my lawyer, who is ready for all of you, you're going to sing a song in court. You'll be in the dock crying. That time, the eyes of all of you will clear. I assure you that. Igwe no no, anyuaro, teacher lobodo. Igwe no no, anyuaro, teacher lobodo.
What I'm saying is that even if you have to, even if what's his name, he came offend you, you shall allow me fight him and not you.
Hi. I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you.
What is it?
Your friend Emeghebo is in trouble. You are where she fought with the princess.
Yes, I know about it.
That fight has landed her into trouble. So go to wherever she is now and tell her to leave this community as soon as possible.
But why? Why will she leave?
I had to steal her from the house. I overheard my uncle telling my father that it has been concluded that Emeghebo must be stoned to death.
What? It's your Kute.
I'm sure by now they must be looking for her.
Hey! Emeghebo, thank you very much, eh?
Hey, please. This should be between us.
Okay.
Good day, isn't it?
Good day.
How is he doing?
It's just there.
It's okay. Ada said I should give you this money to help you take care of him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. What's up for me?
Just a matter of time. It will be okay. Yeah, the same. How do we get to Emeghebo's house? The Igwe want to see him. It's urgent.
I don't know the exact place. It's only my sick brother and Emeka that knows the place.
How do we get to Emeka's house?
Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. No problem.
Are you sure? Okay. Come, let me show you the direction.
Zuna, sorry, eh?
Have you seen what Izuna costs for me? Eh? Tell me, where do I go from here now?
Just go. Go anywhere you can, but you must leave this community now. My father told me it's an abomination to lay a hand on anyone from the royal home. And that person must be stoned to death.
Stone? No, not my sister. Just go in there, pick anything you can lay your hands on, and just leave right away, please.
Okay.
Ego, come out, please. You're wasting time. You have to leave.
You're looking for Emeghebo.
This is not Emeghebo's house.
You say?
Meaning what?
Meaning that you're in the wrong place. Emeghebo does not live here. Yeah, and you. Why did you bring them to this place? You are aware that this is not our father's house. Why did you bring them here?
Nothing, no. They just asked me to come and show them where Emeghebo is, and meanwhile, with the way you people are looking for her, is there any problem?
The Igwe asked us to bring her to the palace because of that fight with the princess.
It's all lies. We are aware they want to stone her to death just because of a fight.
Guinea?
Yes. That's it.
We are not here for all these long stories. Where is the young lady?
She's not here. Go and look for her in her father's house.
She's not there. She's not here.
She's not
Go to her
here.
father's house.
Go and look for her in her father's house.
Enter there. Enter there. Enter. She must come out too. She must come out. Search inside.
Search under that bed. You must say go. You go to sleep.
Search the other side. At the back. Right here.
Is this her father's house?
At the back.
Are you sure? Yeah? You didn't see her? You searched under the bed. You didn't see her? Well.
I'll be back for you.
I know, Chizzy. We're waiting for you. Hey, you must see her.
Are you asking why you bring them here?
Where is she?
Ego.
Emeghebo.
Did you see her?
Where is she? Hey.
I didn't know why they just asked me to come back. I didn't know anything.
Pull her to death.
Hey!
Where is my sister?
Ego!
I just have to go. This is too much on me. Please let me just...
No, Ego, no. You can't possibly live like that. Izuna is critically ill, and it will be so unfair of you to live without seeing him.
Emeka, I am running out of my father's land because of Izuna. I fought the princess because of Izuna. Besides, who even knows what is wrong with him? As it stands right now, I would really love to see Izuna, but I just can't. I am scared of my life.
Nene, just tell us where you are going to in case we want to see you.
I do not know where I'm going to, but I pray the gods of our land lead me through. I want you all to know that all these crimes they are accusing me of, I did not commit any one of them. I thought I was fighting for something that belongs to me. I know that was wrong.
I will miss you, my friend.
Love is pain, love is pain. Yeah. Someone you love so much can hurt you. Someone you love can disappoint you. Someone you trust can hurt you and keep you at the middle of the road.
Yeah. But how can the king order us to look for a girl that we don't know? He should have at least asked the princess to follow us. After all, she's the one that fought with the girl and knows the girl. DJ there.
How can they even conclude that the girl is lost? I'm not part of that tradition. So, if the princess insults me and I give her a Igbo to her, that is dirty slap, they will arrange me for stealing, even when my name is not Steven.
Which Steven are you talking about?
The one in the Bible, of course. Besides, plenty people are stolen in the Bible. Well, let's go and do our own concern. I think I know the way. When we see her, we take her to the palace. We'll still pray her.
Are you sure you know her?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, stop here. Who are you and where are you going by this time of the night?
I was told that my grandmother died this night, so I was rushing to go and see her dead body before she will be buried.
Why don't you wait tomorrow? Don't you know anything can happen to you?
Yes, you're right. It's just that my grandmother told me so many secrets she wanted me to share with my cousin in case anything happens. Besides, she never wanted her dead body to be taken to the mortuary. So I need to get there before they take her body there. I know that something can happen to me, but I just need to get there fast.
Okay, do you know any girl called Emeghebo?
Huh?
Do you know any girl called Emeghebo in this
village? The only one I know, she's from Udenu village. She's tall, she's fair, but I don't think I've seen her for some days now.
So, can you take us there?
Eh?
How can you tell her to take us there? You don't expect her to leave where she's going just to take us there. Don't worry. Look for her to get there. You can go.
Thank you.
Who is she? We saw her walking along the road at night. We suspected her movement and stopped her. She lied that she's from Udenu village. We brought her in here so she can tell us the truth. Because some of the problems we are having in this land are some of these girls who connive with thieves in our land.
Rain, many blessings on our land. Some of these young girls have no image. We will bring her here so that she can tell us more better where she was embarking on as night before we got her.
Are you Emeghebo?
Are you deaf? Can't you speak? Speak!
Now listen. I will not ask you this again. Are you the idiot that fought the princess?
You?
Wait.
Your Highness.
I must commend you, boys. You are doing a good job in this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
She is not a criminal, but she is on my wanted list. You can go. Let me deal with her case.
Thank you, Your Highness. Igwe.
Perhaps go along. Move!
Let me respect the fact that you're royalty. Let me respect you because you are a woman like me. If not, I would have sent you out of my father's house. My brother is sick. Emeghebo is facing your father and the elders of this community, and she must be stoned to death because she fought you. Why are you so concerned about Izunna? Emeghebo was fighting for her rights. Can't you understand?
Izunna, if you don't handle what was given to you very well, someone else will do that for you. I came to your family as a friend. I never dated your brother. That he has a girlfriend does not stop him from associating with other people. What gave that silly thing the right to lay her cursed hands on me, a princess like me?
You should know that sometimes women act according to their thoughts. She thought that by doing what she did, she could be able to separate the chaff from the beans. Adora, Emeghebo is a nice girl, and she has been through a lot since her childhood.
I don't care if she was raised from the pit of hell. I don't care. Some girls should know when to draw the line. Well, the truth is that I didn't tell my father. Some other people did, and I have to go with their decision.
Okay. It's alright. What's your plan on Izunna? As you can see, he's sick. Are you still...
Izunna is a cross. I have to carry. I will do everything possible to make him well again, even if it means spending my last kobo. I have come to love him very much. And as for that silly girl, in her next miserable world, she will learn to look before she will. Take the money and take care of your brother. I'll take him away when I'm done with my plans.
Chisom, where's your father? Inside. Hold him. Oh, look up.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you very much. Ikem thought he could chew me like cola in the palace. Ikem. I'm going to jail Ikem. I'll get him jailed. Huh? Oh. What does he think he is? What impunity? Huh? I had an altercation with him in the palace. You see, the evil done by Ikenge and his daughter is now haunting them.
Which Ikenge?
Ikenge that was owing you money now, before he died. The father of the stupid girl who fought the princess. Huh?
You mean Emeghebo?
What am I doing with her? Huh? The issue came because the girl was trying to escape. Then she ran into vigilance boys who dragged her to the palace. When the issue was being argued, he came forward with declarations somewhere. Can you imagine that impunity, that audacity? Eh? See, I'm going to deal with Ikem. He was attacking me right, left and center at the palace. Eh? Oh, I won't allow this lying down. Chisom, go to my room, lift the pillow, you'll see my diary. Bring it. Bring it! Yes, yes. I must consult my old lawyer to deal with this matter. To bring up charges against him. Charges upon charges. I'll make sure at the end he goes to jail. Go and bring it.
Please. Ikem did not know all you knew. Besides, he never worked to the white people, and he's not even a First Republican politician. Please, don't call your old lawyer for me. Just forgive, please.
Are you hearing your daughter? If someone as small as your daughter could know a lot about my credentials, then why not Ikem? Who is it not to know me in this community? Eh? I'm insisting I must deal with him. I must deal with him.
Yeah,
eh?
He cheated.
Eh?
Please, calm down.
Oh, you think I'm playing? I'm joking.
Calm down. Don't mind Ikem and his stupidity. Oh, what I can call he's just a child. I told you that leave Ikem for me if need be. Chisum, go inside. Get in that fresh palm wine. Let me calm them down.
Anybody who could muster the guts to come and challenge me is no longer a small boy.
They're gonna happen.
No.
It's
high time I dealt with Ikem, so I'm unbenable.
And who are you people?
We are here to see the king.
The king?
Yes.
What for?
We are from this community. Or is the palace restricted to some people?
And who do I tell the king that wants to see him?
Tell him his people want to see him.
In that case, let me inform the king. Wait.
Your Highness, you are the highest authority in this kingdom. You have the right to stop and to start. Emeghebo is the only sibling in her family. She is a child that never knew who her mother was. And the mother's older sister. Please, save her from this issue.
Woman, you have spoken well.
But I still have the kingmakers who decide on certain rules in this kingdom. Emeghebo committed an abomination. I am not saying this because my daughter was involved. But people have lost respect to traditional institutions.
Your Highness, Emeghebo is only but a child. Please have mercy on all of us. We have the kingmakers, but you are still our king. Ego is my cousin. My mother and I cautioned her the day we heard she fought with the princess. Please, Your Highness. Please, I'm begging you. Killing her is not the best option.
Are you here to teach me the best option of what? We have certain rules that deals with such situations, and that's what must apply. As for that girl, she must be stopped. No! You serve as a deterrent to others. I have spoken. It may please you to leave my palace. Do I make myself clear? I said to leave my palace. Do you want me to send you guys? Let's leave my palace. We've concluded that you will die by studying. We don't want to know why you did what you did. You fought the princess of this kingdom and brought this kingdom to public disrepute. And from our investigation, we found out you fought the princess because of a man. You had the guts to slap her, tore her royal garment, and absconded, thinking that the long arm of law will not catch up with you. Young woman, you must die.
Your Highness, the decision may have been taken. Come and ask for where they will a government. I am pleading on her behalf. Let us listen to her. After all, sometime in the past when Okonkwo slapped the king's wife to death, she was allowed to talk. Yes. I mean, she told her version of the story. Why can't we listen to her? Please, let us listen to her.
We will not sit here to listen to any story. Igwe has spoken, so shall it be.
I know that you all have made your decision. But please, my fathers, before I die, I need to forgive Izuna. We both took an oath at the Zomiri River, where we vowed to love each other till death. If only I knew. If only I was told that fighting for a man I thought belonged to me would cause my death.
You both took an oath at his own deity?
Yes, Chief.
Aye.
As I speak, Izuna is dying. I had to go back to the river to curse him. Please, my fathers, I need to go back to the deity to make an appeal on his behalf. We're all humans. Please. Nobody can watch what belongs to him or her being snatched away. Please, my fathers, it is better for me to die so Izuna can live.
Why?
You are the apple of my eye.
My princess, I'm on my way to you.
Yes, what is it?
The girl wants to see you.
Which girl?
The girl that was locked up.
You mean Emeghebo?
Yes, my princess.
I see. What for?
The girl has been crying and begging. She said she wants to see you before she dies.
I've heard you go. My princess, please, you can come see her. Come and see her. And don't. How?
Izuna is the only man I've ever known. We have come a long way. We shared lots of things together. Izuna will always rescue me whenever I was in trouble. He will protect me, especially when the boys will want to bully me. I thought he loved me. So...
I don't know what to do again. I'm frustrated. My mother is dying by the day and Mazioko has refused to touch her until I deposit some money. Eh? What do? I've sold 2 lands already. I've gone, I've begged, I've pleaded with people. Nobody's ready to help. I can't just stand by and watch my mother die now.
Stop lamenting, don't worry, eh? Your mother will not die. Actually, my father kept some money in.
So angry.
Father, please, I beg of you. The tradition is right. But you have the power to say a word. And the people will obey, especially when it
May the peace of the Lord be with you all.
You're welcome, Father.
Thank you. I came in respect of Emeghebo. I want to humbly plead on her behalf. I am the parish priest of St. Patrick's. And it will be a bit of honor if you people can do me this favor.
Reverend Father, how dare you back into the circle of powerfully titled people like us here? You think ours is a mean title? When I was taking my oath, I had to travel from Tapele to the east in Onuigbo transport. Dikeh to watch. So it's not a mean title. How do you back into just like that? Look at our heads. Eh? Look at the castle. Look at the red cap. Is there no stark difference? You might be there now. Right? Be very careful. Have respect for elders. Have respect for titled people. Don't dare do it next time.
I am sincerely sorry, my elders. I have never come here to disrupt your discussion. It's just that I was sad when I was told about your decision to stone somebody who has erred just in the name of tradition.
Good for new man. Okay, you have tradition in your church. Represented by this your ordinary. As far as I'm concerned, this is ordinary clothing material. Then our own is personified, identified by its danger. Like I told you, if I so desire, I just cast a charm on you. Don't do it next time. There's a difference. Respect others, respect titled people. Respect us, please.
Listen, Papa. I don't know who you listen. You know when you teach if this card is taken from you, you see that there is no difference between you and those that sell clothes at the back. I am coming. Listen to me, because I told you the way you address them is upward. Let me talk. How can I attack a man of God? When I'm saying that this man here this woman is a man of God. Yes. There are so many rules that have to be abolished. It's none of them. Let me give you an example. Slave trade was abolished. Killing of twins was abolished. As a matter of fact, we have every reason to listen to him. We must listen to this man.
Your Highness, our priest standing before us is a very young man. Emeghebo, equally, is a young woman.
Yes.
Yes. They are not they don't. They are not embraced the traditions and customs of our people.
You're making a point.
Oh, yes. So please, let us tender justice with mercy.
You said you are from the country.
Yes, sir.
The moment you stepped into this palace, I knew that I am going to forgive Emeghebo. I respect God a lot. Yes, I respect God. You see, you give to Caesar what is Caesar. And what belongs to God, you give it to God.
So go, your sin has been forgiven.
Yes. Thank you so much, Igwe. Thank you, my elders.
Yes.
I want to assure you that for the fact that you have respected God today, God will in return respect you all. And as far as He lives, His blessings will forever remain with you all. Thank you so much. And please, may I see her?
Oh, you can. God.
You go on and follow my remember if my
I think to go in. Oh,
Monitor him very well.
Thank you very much.
Don't give them gap.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see. The good Lord has set you free. You see, love is good, but the love of Christ is the best of all. We can only do our best as humans, but God does the spiritual. I want you to bear no grudge against anybody, even as you leave this place. Make Christ your Lord from today and watch Him organize your steps. And one more thing. Look for Chizzy, Nduka's daughter. She cried to me and asked me to come to your rescue. I mean, if not for her, I wouldn't have known all this.
Thank you, Father.
May the Lord be with you. The King has set you free.
Father.
Yes. So stand up, bring your bag and follow me. Stand up. It's okay, my dear.
Thank you, Father.
It's okay, my dear.
Thank you.
Follow me, let's go. May the Lord be with you. It's okay.
Izuna, my friend.
Okay,
no, Izuna.
What happened?
Izuna has left us. Izuna.
Where is he?
Izuna has left us.
My friend. no, this is not happening. This is not happening, God.
Izuna! Is this you? What?
Thank God you are alive, Izuna. It is this same girl you wanted to abandon because of riches that brought you back to life. After all she went through because of you. Her father died because she took a risk so your mother could live. Even when I came into the picture, you told me that she's just a family friend. Just because of a loaf of bread. We should all learn to respect our relationships.
Listen, I thought I was fighting for something that belonged to me. I never knew it was just a mirage. I know how I fought to keep our relationship alive. But thank God I did not die. Not to worry, Zuna. The oath has been destroyed. I now realize that I have no future with you. Because you think I'm a nobody. It is well with you, Izuna. Izuna, you're still my sister, okay?
Hey!
Let's go.
I told you to be very careful. That sometimes what we are holding is better than what we don't have. It's a lesson to everybody. It's a lesson to you and I. I hate friends that do not listen to advice.
máa kí fún